Good morning, everyone. So, yesterday was again a bad day for the market where the Nifty came down by 100 points to close at 5575. So, if you see in last 2 days, in two trading sessions, Nifty has wiped out almost 200 points. So, that's a significant downside we saw in last 2 days. Yeah, today morning the Singapore Nifty was trading almost like half a percent down. So we can see today also a market to be trading towards weaker zone or maybe trading towards 5,500 mark. So in all, the things are real bad. Maybe it is because of some political tension with domestically and abroad. Maybe some war raging out in North Korea and other parts. From yesterday news, if I want to pick some important news, uh, yesterday US the jobless claim has data has come poor. So yesterday US market was also trading at flat. Uh, in afternoon, when ECB has in their ECB policy meeting, they have kept their key policy rates at the same level at 0.75%, and they have given an outlook that they will do whatever. Mr. Draghi has given an outlook that they will do whatever needed to keep the eurozone intact. So that's a positive note from yesterday meeting. Today, today morning, was trading almost 3.5% up, just because of their stance of going for an aggressive uh, monetary policy, which has been taken in a positive note by the equity markets out there. So, in all, that was a broader macroeconomic view of the global market. To talk about some stock-specific news in from the Indian scenario, yesterday government has partially decontrolled the sugar industry, which is really positive for the entire sector. So we can see again a positive moment in Bajaj Hindustan, Dhampur Sugar, Renuka Sugar in today's session also. Though it's not a complete decontrol, it's a partial decontrol with some condition. But yes, it's on a positive footing. So things are happening good for that particular sector. Second thing was that the banking sector is again asking the RBI to cut down the CRR by 50 basis point and repo by almost a 0.25% in the upcoming policy meet. So in all, I would say that things are happening. Okay, not as per the expectation of the equity market or what the equity market would like, but I would suggest investor to take this as an opportunity, take this as volatility as as an advantage or maybe a point to enter the market where most of the good stocks are available at below their fair valuation. So in all, today market is expected to remain sideways with a negative bias. We'll see you on Monday. Thank you.